In this video I'm going to show you how to send multiple photos as document in WhatsApp on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. First you need to open up your iPhone gallery and select the photos you want to send. For that I hit on select, and now there I can select some photos. I'll select that one and that one, and now I need to hit on share button and there select save to files. I need to save it to files first. I'll send it to downloads, so I just hit save, and now I have to open my files, and there all I have to do is first hit on browse and now hit on downloads, because while you are on browse here appears this icon. In recents there is another icon, but we need that one. So here I can hit on that icon and hit on select now and select those three photos that I want to send. Now hit on share, and there I can find WhatsApp, and now I can select a contact, and after that hit next and hit send to be able to send these three photos, and that's how it works. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.